Welcome to Blackfriars Student Theater Club's production of Cicadas by Nevaeh Harris-Redd.
Please silence all phones and electronics and refrain from taking flash photography, or the gods shall smite you down. Please also familiarize yourselves with the exits.
The show will have no intermission and will run about 30 minutes, a mere blip in the lifespan of the immortal gods.
Thank you for supporting the arts at Agnes Scott and coming to see this spectacular world premiere.
Enjoy the show!
I wouldn't call that. Shut up, traitor. Eos, I don't want to hear anything from you. I told you about those things in confidence, and you go and tell them? Hey! I was involved too. Great, you're both in the wrong. We care about you. Yes, this is all out of love. I understand, but I've got it. I have gotten over him. Believe me, I know now to never ever get involved with a married man, especially a mortal married man, ever again. A mortal man in general. Ugh. I'm fine, see? Now you two. So remind me to never tell you two anything more. Come on, don't be like that.
Yeah, we didn't mean for it to be so confrontational. We didn't think Mom and Dad would make a big deal out of it. I'm sorry.
We're sorry. We were just worried about our big sister.
No, shut up.
No, but seriously, are you okay?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes. Now go. I'm going to be late. I have to start the day. Go on.
Going.
No. I am not doing that again. No, they are horrible. it then? What has taken over your mind so much that you cannot even practice how to handle a sword? I cannot have the future king of Troy embarrassing me.
Father.
What is it?
Well, I simply...
Forgot. Did you hear that?
Yes, it sounded like a laugh. What's so funny?
Probably that you forgot to do your princely duties.
Yes, I will get to it. I promise it will not happen again.
Tithonus, you are an adult now. You have to take this seriously. You cannot just brush off your tasks. I knew I should have been stricter with you when you were growing up.
Perhaps.
My lord, it is getting late. Shall we return to the palace? Yes, perhaps we shall. Come on, son.
I think I will stay here a while longer. I want to practice more.
All right. Shall I send a sparring partner?
No need, I won't be long. I just want to clean some things up.
Don't keep your mother waiting.
Have I seen you before?
No, I don't think we've met.
We certainly have. I wouldn't miss a face like yours.
What's that supposed to mean?
Oh, I like your face. Sorry, that was, I have seen you before.
I think you're mistaken.
Yes, earlier in the town square. I saw you, then you vanished. Actually vanished, like some sort of special ability. Did you actually disappear? Are you a date? If so, I apologize for my disrespect. Please don't smite me down.
Eos, God of the dawn.
Oh my gods, I've never
Been anyone like me before? Trust me, I know.
I wasn't going to say that. I was going to say I've never met a god or a goddess before.
Yes, I know. I wouldn't usually show myself so casually.
Why have you chosen to show yourself to me?
I didn't. I was simply conversing with the riverbed when you and your father came marching in and disturbed them.
I'm so sorry. Please forgive me your greatness.
I am only joking. You're mortal to be so serious. Though I know you guys don't have to worry this reputation. You can relax. I'm not going to slide you down.
I'm sorry. This is just very strange.
Why is it strange?
I'm talking with the literal goddess of dawn. How is that not strange?
I can see how this experience can be charming.
Do you usually walk on the earth?
I do.
In Troy?
Mainly in Athens, however I like variety from time to time.
I see.
Well, I better get going.
Do you want to spar?
What?
I wasn't lying to my father when I said I wanted to practice.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Yes. Does it matter?
Shouldn't you be driving your chariot across the sky right now?
Already have, can't you see? It's evening now. The moon has come up and the sun has gone to sleep. How is Helios? We rarely get a chance to speak given our separate schedules.
He's great, energetic as always, sometimes too much.
How are you? You heard me.
I'm doing well, very well.
That's good. I'm happy for you.
Thank you. It's been a while since I felt so content.
Uh-huh. So who's tipping us?
I knew it. Here I thought my little sister just wanted to see me because she missed me.
Hey, I actually did miss you, but you know me. I'm curious.
Trying to
Shut up.
you first.
Whatever.
You have such a way of
Oh, shut up and answer the question.
what question?
Who is tipping us?
Nobody.
Well, he's really not nobody. You've been hanging out quite often.
Have you been spying on me?
No, I heard it through the grapevine. And by grapevine, I mean mom, of course. And Helios.
Of course. He's more like our mother than he wants to admit.
Oh, for sure.
Didn't you say that you and Helios have a talk?
Okay, that's my cue to leave. Love you, sister. Goodbye.
Oh, got it.
You scared me. What's the matter?
Nothing. I was worried about you.
You worried about me.
What? I enjoy your company. I was afraid you didn't want to see me again, that I somehow offended you. Would you like to spar?
What?
Would you like to spar?
You do not have any swords.
I know. I just don't know what to say. I don't know how to talk to you.
Why is that?
Because you are you.
I am me.
Yes, I don't know. My thoughts are escaping me. You have that effect on me.
You should get home.
Oh, but
We can talk some other time.
when will I see you again?
I don't know.
My family, we are throwing a party tomorrow.
A party.
A celebration.
For what?
I want you to come.
You want me to come?
Yes,
Why should I?
because you also want to.
Do I?
Yes.
What makes you so sure?
Forgive me. I got ahead of myself.
Okay.
Okay.
Would you like me to not come?
No. I mean, I'm happy that you said yes.
I did not say yes. I said okay. I will come to your celebration. I will see you in that hall.
How will you know where to go?
I am sure I can find my way. You live in a palace, do you not?
Why, yes. Yes, I do. How did you know?
Yeah.
want me here?
I do want you here. I always want you here. I always want to be next to you. I can't help it. I'm drawn to you and I do not know why.
That
I apologize, guys.
Eos.
What?
Call me Eos. Goddess is too formal, and I know the people of Troy do not worship me.
Is that why you go to Athens so often?
Yeah, though recently I found myself wanting to explore.
I see.
What are parties for?
Nothing. I just wanted to throw a party.
Oh, so this is your idea.
Yes, I love parties.
As do I.
Actually,
Yes.
I threw this party for you. I just wanted an excuse to talk to you.
I see.
Do you?
Excuse me?
Do you see how much I love you?
Where are we going?
I can't contain it any longer. The moment I saw you in Troy that day for the first time, I felt a connection to you. There's no other way to explain it but love. I can't help myself.
Well, you must.
I cannot.
This is not smart. I must go.
Please, do not leave.
I have to.
Why?
Because this won't end well. It never ends well. It didn't last time. It won't this time. I cannot do this again.
It will be different because it is me. This is something new. I am someone new.
I'm scared.
No. You're right. What was I thinking? You and me, no. This will never work out.
But I'm willing to try again, if it's you.
What?
Tithonus, I am drawn to you too. The pull is strong, and no matter how hard I try, I cannot fight it. So I will not fight it anymore. I love you too. Never mind.
What?
Years and years and years before I met you, there was someone else. His name was Zeus. He was married. I, in a way, kidnapped him. Don't look at me like that. Anyway, we were together. I loved him. I thought he loved me. He seemed to love me. This affair went on for a while, but soon in his life. He began to wonder if she was having an affair too. So he asked me to turn him into someone that his wife didn't know to see if she was being faked. At first, she refused, but then we offered her money, and she gave it. Phillips was saddened by this, but he understood.
Did his wife know that you guys were...
At first, no, but then she started to question him. She came to me, ironically, to ask me to turn her into a fox, so she could spy on him when we were hunting. He mistook her for a wild animal and killed her. Upon realizing it was her, he wept, and then that sadness turned into anger. That was a long way of saying my ex hates me, and he has a reason to.
No, he doesn't.
You're just saying that.
No, I'm being serious. He doesn't get to hate you. He cheated and suffered the consequences.
That's one hell of a consequence.
It is, but he deceived his wife by being unfaithful and then deceived her more by tricking her into cheating. Yes, what you did was wrong, but it's not all on you. What we have is nothing like that. You also didn't kidnap me, so there's a start.
No, I didn't kidnap
What?
your hair.
What about it?
It's turning gray.
That's what happens when you get older, love.
Eos, long time no see. How have you been? Stressed?
Talk to me.
You remember Tithonus, right?
Yes. Prince. Kind of awkward, cute, but not my type.
Yes, he's also king now. His dad died.
Oh! You two still together?
Yes? What?
Nothing, continue.
He's getting older.
As humans do.
Right. What do I do?
Nothing.
What do you mean, nothing?
I meant exactly that. Do nothing! This is what humans do. They get old and die.
You've had human
There have been a few that are challenging.
Like the one you split in half with Persephone? What was his name?
I don't want to talk about that.
Okay, still. Give me real advice. I don't want to damage. What do you do?
You could ask someone to turn him immortal.
Who?
I think you know who.
No, not him. Anyone else?
Tithonus will just have to die then.
He won't. I'll find a way.
We weren't expecting you. Why didn't you call?
Would you have answered? I need your help.
With what?
It's a big ask.
You would not have come here if you didn't think either of us would be able to help.
Tithonus keeps aging.
Humans do that, yes.
I want to stop it.
I can't help you with that.
Father!
Oh, so it's father now.
What are you doing here?
I can't say hi to my loving parents.
What do you want?
I'm trying to find a way to stop Tithonus.
We can't help you with that. Go find someone who can. Goodbye.
I really want to help you, but I can't. You know who can, though, so ask him.
You do not beyond her landing. If I could, I would turn you into a demigod. No, a god. I guess I have no other choice. Oh, great Zeus, please answer my plea.
You call Eos.
I have a request.
Okay.
Zeus, king of the gods, god of the sky, lightning and thunder.
Out with it!
I'm sure you know of Tithonus.
Oh, I know of him, yes. Are you looking to make him a warrior?
Oh, gods, no. I was thinking something with like grander and more personal. Maybe something you could do with a romantic partner.
I don't know about that. That's what you're saying.
That's not what I was talking about. Also, you. He is very handsome.
So tell him yourself.
I have multiple times.
That was the problem here.
I love him.
Okay.
He is a human, and I love him.
I don't think I understand.
He is a human, and I am not. He's not a god like you and me. He will age. He has aged. He's old and he will die, and I don't know what to do.
I think I see where this is going.
Please, you don't understand.
I do! But you can't just grant immortality to everyone that you're fond of.
This is more than liking. I am in love with him. I love him so much that it hurts. I think of him day and night. Every time we're apart, I can think only of when I can get back to him. I see him every day, and I never get tired of him, and I never will. Even if he was a small bug, I would still love him. I love him. Make him immortal, please.
I can't.
Yes, you can! Please, I will tell my priests and priestesses to spend time at your temple and to pray to you. I won't ever ask for anything else. Please.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Thank you so much. You have no idea how much this means.
I have an idea.
I'm going to go tell Tiffany.
Eos.
Yeah?
Never mind.
She is so foolish.
He will live forever, but at what cost? He will still grow old. His body will be weak. His health will decline. He will live in pain and suffering.
Tiffany, I have good news. Where is he? Is this not our usual meeting place?
Eos, my love, is that you?
That bastard.
Who are you calling bastard? The only bastard here is you.
How dare you say that to me when I spent hours talking to that devil for you?
Hours, try decades.
Decades.
Yes, decades. While you were too busy trying to fix me, time passed faster than it does up there. I was left here, without you. I was so lonely. And now, I'm stuck this way.
You were right, I didn't. I forgot. I'm so very sorry. I struck a deal with Zeus. I asked him to turn you immortal.
It seems he did not follow through.
No, he did. I forgot how conniving he can be.
Ah, there's always a catch.
Yes, there is.
I love you.
And are you?
Eos, I have a request.
Yes?
I am in agony each day. My body has grown tired.
Yes?
Is there any way you can fix this or take me out of my misery?
What? No.
Please. you can't turn back time, then
I think there may be a way, but
do not tell me.
are you sure?
Yes, I am sure. I will be content with